Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct, and in this video I'll be giving you some top application tips and my favourite application techniques for the Man's Extra Tough Floor Varnish. Preparation is key, so if you haven't already, check out our before you buy video now. The best way to apply the Man's Extra Tough Floor Varnish is a small brush to do the edges and a microfiber roller to finish off the open areas. My weapon of choice is the Prodec Synthetic Brush in 1.5 inch for the edges and the tricky areas, and the Marshall microfiber roller 25cm to do the rest. How I like to work is I make sure I stick on some shoe covers and make sure there is no stones or grit in the tread of my boots. Then thoroughly stir before and periodically during application for consistency of sheen. Pour enough varnish for the area into a scuttle or paint tray, then work around the edges with a brush applying thinly. Then, once done, you are ready to tackle the open area. Load your roller or chosen applicator, then apply thinly, making sure you work in manageable areas and always working with the grain. Leave to dry, being careful not to allow the varnish to pool and smoothing out any roller marks. Between coats, you can keep your brushes and other applicators in an airtight bag or container to prevent them drying out. And after application, your brushes and other equipment should be washed immediately in warm water and wiped dry. If you need any further technical advice or information on your project, why not give us a call or email and put us to the test. We are the experts after all. A full list of the products used in this video will be linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for all future content, and as always do a test area.